welcome to another video. It is day 2 of using the NeuroMD. I literally have it on my back right now. As you can see, wow, I need to clean this mirror. But did I wake up any different after day 1? I would say I did not. So, did I feel more relaxed in my lower back? I did. We'll say but it's a tense unit pretty much. That's how I would put it. So I don't know, give or take. Let's see how the days go. But I'm on day 2. I woke up after day 1 feeling like my lower back was more relaxed, especially when I was laying in bed. And then the other thing that I mentioned in my last video was when I was doing the exercises, especially the bridge glute exercise, I did feel that my back was tensing up, and then I did the cat and cow pose for yoga is one of the exercises as well. And after that, I really did feel like my back was really tense and tight. So maybe that's a combination of the exercises and the NeuroMD. But when I did lay in bed, the head to bed, I felt really like my back was able to relax and just felt more structured, kind of. I guess more relaxed is the best way to say. Not more structured. It just felt like the muscles were actually kind of giving way and felt more relaxed. But that's usually what a tense unit does do. It does tend to just relax the muscles after they've been really tight. So that's how I felt. Then I woke up in the morning. Didn't feel any crazy improvements. I didn't feel any worse than I felt before using the tense unit, or any better than before I used the tense unit. So give or take, we're on the second day. I'm using it right now. I'm in intensity 10. I was at 8, but now I'm at 10, feeling really used to it and feels really good. I think I might crank it up to 11 or 12 next for the third day. But just giving you guys an update. I'll do the exercises after this time's out, and then I'll give you guys an update on how I feel. I just got done. The exercises felt great. So let me just share my thoughts just for a quick summary. I did mode 1, obviously level 10. I cranked it up from 8 to 10, so by 2. It felt really good while I was walking around the house, walking my dog. And that's the cool thing about the NeuroMD that I'm liking so far. You don't see it from any t-shirts or anything because it's so thin. And then you can do other things while you're wearing it. So I did the session for 25 minutes. Felt super good. I gotta say, I was pretty happy. Took it off, did all that good stuff, and then went right into the exercises. I did the exercises, and this time around, I didn't feel like my lower back was as tight. When I was doing the cat-cow stretch, that did kind of bring up a little bit of tightness, but not as bad as yesterday. And then the other thing I noticed is that my left lower back is looser. It's not as tight. So I felt like I was able to contract my muscles a lot better because the tightness wasn't there as much as it usually is. I don't know if that's the NeuroMD or if I'm just doing these stretches and it's just helping, but I'm definitely doing all the other things that I do, the McKenzie press-ups, the my ab workouts and all that stuff in my normal workout routine. But I'm just doing this on top of the NeuroMD. So today I started out in the morning with just the NeuroMD and the stretches and exercises that they provided me, and I feel pretty darn good. I don't feel like has been a major improvement yet. Obviously it's just the second day, but overall I feel like my lower back is less tense. So that I'll take is a positive. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll keep you guys updated now at the 1 week mark just to see how everything's going. The first step is just to do it every 4 days. I may just do it every 4 days or every 5 days, depending. I don't want to overdo it. I'll probably just listen to the instructions to do it for the 4 days. So I'll follow up with you guys after 2 days of doing the NeuroMD and create a video and give you an update. All right, much love, guys. I hope you have an amazing day.